right-leaning and left-leaning cables with a cable needle. To do a right-leaning cable, slip the next stitches, in this case it's going to be 2 stitches, onto a cable needle, drop it behind your work so that the next 2 stitches will cross in front. Work the next 2 stitches on the left-hand needle, and then work the next 2 stitches off of your cable needle. For a left-leaning cable, we slip the next 2 stitches onto the cable needle and drop it in front of the work so that these 2 cables will cross in front. Work the next 2 stitches off of the needle, and then the 2 stitches off of the cable needle. And I'll meet you back here after I've done a couple of rows. And this is what those newly worked cables look like after you've done a wrong side row.